In this video, we'll show you how to create a gatefold card with a latch using circle nesting dies. To start, create your gatefold base and decorate. Next, take your circle nesting dies, place together and run through your die cutting machine with your chosen card. You will now have a circle and frame that fit together. To create the latch, attach the frame to the left-hand side of the base. And attach the circle to the right. And decorate to finish. Here you have your finished gatefold card with a latch.